Hi, good morning.
I need to shop some grocery. Zuzu, can you help me?
Sure, Mom. I will help you. Select a trolley or basket for shopping. They need to buy these things today. Can you help them? Help them pick some snacks they want. You are clever. You are great. Cup. Help them to find all the products they want. Cup. Aeroplane. It's hidden behind the toys. Let's find it. Hamburger. Help them find the items they need. That's awesome! That's awesome! That's awesome! Great! Your hamburger is ready! Fish! Let's find the fish you like.